Hi everyone, and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. Today let's celebrate the start of summer reading and make a tasty snack inspired by a Honeydukes classic, cockroach clusters. Did you know the theme of summer reading this year is all about animals? That's why I thought these treats would be perfect. But don't worry, we won't be using any actual cockroaches in our version. In fact, we only need 4 ingredients. What we need is chopped nuts. I'm using walnuts, but it can be whatever you like. I'm using about a cup in total. We also need about a cup of pretzels, broken or chopped into pieces. These 2 ingredients will give our clusters a nice crunch factor. Next we need some melting chocolate or candy melts. And lastly, we need some marshmallow fluff. It makes for a nice gooey white binder. The first thing I'm going to do for mine is completely optional, but I'm going to toast my walnuts and pretzel pieces in the oven. If you also want to do this, you'll bake for about 12 minutes on 350 degrees. Let cool before proceeding to the next step. For the next step, we need a mixing bowl and spoon or spatula. We'll place the walnuts and pretzels into the bowl and add 2 large spoonfuls of marshmallow fluff and stir until it is all mixed in and combined. Now we'll work on melting our chocolate, and I'll do this by following the instructions provided on our melts. Once it's melted and smooth, we'll work on scooping and shaping our mixture and then dipping and coating in chocolate. I'll scoop out a spoonful and then using a fork I'll dunk it into the chocolate and make sure it is all coated before removing and gently shaking off the excess. I'll place the chocolate-coated clusters onto a baking sheet lined with wax paper. We'll repeat until we've made the desired amount of clusters or until the mixture runs out. My goal is to make about 12 cockroach clusters. Once we finish dipping, I'm going to touch up the clusters that have settled or shifted, causing white marshmallow to show, by adding a little more chocolate. All that's left now is to wait patiently while these cool and the chocolate hardens. You can speed this up greatly by placing in the refrigerator. Once the chocolate is hardened up nicely, we can arrange and box our treats. And that's a wrap! We've now made some tasty cockroach clusters. If you liked this activity, be sure to check out our Fantastic Beasts summer camp. Look for a link in the post description for more details.